Hello，大家好，我叫岳舒燕，你的中文老师。同学们，上课。First of all, I have to thank you for your reactions on the previous video. I was very 一起加油，我们一定会成功。Today I come with a very interesting lesson which is based on Chinese word 在。在 can be used with prepositions of place to talk about the things around you or to talk about profession of different people and so on and so forth. So 同学们 without delay, let's get started. 在 plus prepositions of place. First of all, let us learn these two things, which are called 宠物. 宠物. 宠物 is house pet. The first one, 猫. 猫, that's a cat. 猫 and 狗. 狗, that is a dog. So the major word for birds and animals in Chinese is 只. 只. So you can say 一只猫,一只狗,一只猫,一只狗. The third thing that we need most is 桌子,桌子, which is a table. So the major word of it is 一张桌子,张,一张桌子. To ask where the cat is, you ask 猫在哪里?猫在哪里? Or 猫在哪儿?猫在哪儿? Now let us look at prepositions of place with 在. The first one, on or above. 猫在桌子上。猫在桌子上 or 上面。猫在桌子上面 the same. Under or below. 猫在桌子下。猫在桌子下面。猫在桌子下。猫在桌子下面。In front. 猫在桌子前面。前面 that's in front. 猫在桌子前面 or 猫在桌子后面。猫在桌子后面。So all of this 上下前面后面。We continue with beside or next to. 猫在桌子旁边。旁边 next to. 猫在桌子旁边。It can be left side or right side. When it is left side, 猫在桌子左边。猫在桌子左边。On right side, 猫在桌子右边。猫在桌子右边。When it is between two things, for instance, there are two dogs and one cat. So we will say, 猫在两只狗中间。中间 between. 猫在两只狗中间。All of this. 旁边。旁边。左边。右边。中间。To learn in and out, we are going to use the word 房子。房子 it's a house. 房子 the first one. 猫在房子里面。猫在房子里面 in the house. 里面。Then 猫在房子外面。猫在房子外面。里面外面。It can also be on the house. We will say 猫在房子上面。猫在房子上面 or 在房子上. We have learned it previously. So to say something is nearby, we use the word 附近. 附近. For instance, 超市在我家附近. 超市 supermarket 在我家附近 near my home. 超市在我家附近. Here there is a flexible structure. Look at the following sentence. 我家附近有超市. 我家附近有超市. Or 在我家附近有超市. These three sentences have the same meaning. So you can also say 他在我家对面. 对面 opposite. 他 stands for 超市. So 他在我家对面 it is an opposite of our family or our home. 他在我家对面 opposite side. Now let us summarize all of this. 猫在桌子上. 猫在桌子上面. 猫在桌子下. 猫在桌子下面. 猫在两只狗中间. 猫在桌子前面. 猫在桌子后面. 猫在房子里面. 猫在桌子旁边. 猫在桌子左边. 猫在桌子右边. 猫在房子里面. 猫在房子外面. 超市在我家对面. If you cannot remember them well, you can take a screenshot and it will help you to remember them clearly. So the next sentence we line up or we are in a queue. 我没排队. 我没排队. When you need a service at a hospital or any other place, sometimes it is necessary that you line up. 排队. 排队. So you may say, 我们5个人. We are 5 people. 我前面有2个人. 我前面有2个人. 我后面也有2个人. 我在中间. 我在中间. 我前面 in front of me there are 2 people. 我后面也有2个人. There are 2 people. And me 我在中间. 我前面, 我后面, 我上面, 我下面. That's another usage of these prepositions of place. Then, 在 plus other words of locality. You may ask the person, 你哥哥在学校吗? 你哥哥在学校吗? Is your big brother at school? 对，他在学校. 对，他在学校. Yes, he is at school. 你妈妈呢? 你妈妈呢? What about your mom? 她在家 or 我妈妈在家. 我妈妈在家. 狗在哪儿? 狗在哪儿? Where is the dog? 狗在桌子上面. 狗在桌子上面. As you see, 在学校, 在家, 在桌子上面, 在 plus the word of location. Now let us emphasize on use of na. When you have asked the question above, you can use other subjects with na to ask the same question above. For instance, 你哥哥在学校吗? 对，他在学校. Then you may ask, 你妈妈呢? 你的姐姐呢? 你弟弟呢? 你爸爸呢? That na, it is asking, where are they? So na, it is used to ask, where is or what about? For instance, in these 3 sentences, 你妈妈呢? 我的杯子呢? 我的杯子, 杯子, a cup. So you give everyone the cup and you don't give me. So I may ask you, 我的杯子呢? 我的杯子呢? Where is my cup? Or phone, 我的手机呢? 我的手机呢? Where is my phone? To understand it well, let us look at this conversation between a guest and a child.
你爸爸在家吗？
不在家。
他在哪儿呢？
他在医院。
工作还是看病？
看病。他生病了。We'll start. 你爸爸在家吗？ Is your dad home? 不在家。He is not home. 他在哪儿呢？ So where is he? 他在哪儿呢？他在医院。他在医院。He is at hospital. 工作还是看病？看病。他生病了。他生病了。生病 to be sick. Apart from adding location, you may also add an action. For instance, 你儿子在哪儿工作？你儿子在哪儿工作？ Where does your son work? You may say, 我儿子在医院工作。我儿子在医院工作。He works at hospital. 他是医生。他是医生。He is a doctor. So most beginners make this mistake. Instead of saying 我儿子在医院工作, they say 我儿子工作在医院. This is wrong. This structure is the one of English. The second question. 你女儿呢？你女儿 daughter. 你女儿呢？ What about your daughter? 我女儿在酒店工作。我女儿在酒店工作。酒店 hotel. 酒店。她是服务员。服务员 waiter or waitress. 服务员 So all of them. 你儿子在哪儿工作？他在医院工作。他是医生。你女儿呢？她在酒店工作。她是服务员。These sentences we use a 在 plus a verb of location plus a action. So guys, hope that if I give you this kind of pictures, you will know, you'll be able to locate different positions of cat. Isn't it? If not, you may return and repeat well so that you can master these prepositions of place. That's the end of today's video. Thank you for watching. Hope that you have already clicked subscribe so that you can be with me in every lesson that I share with you. Thank you so much. Bye bye. 再见。再见。